What's going on, everybody? It's me, Thunderhead 9000, and today I'm going to be upgrading my internal hard drive with this. It's a Sabrent heatsink for the PS5 console. Just got it in today, so I'm actually going to open this up and do a little tutorial on how to make it work in this. Now, the first step you got to take is to pop this face cover off. Now, as you can see, I have the Blu-ray edition. It's going to be on this side where the disc is, and if you're looking at it straight up, it's on the right side if you have a digital edition. So the first thing you're going to do, come back to this corner right here, lift up gently, and pull it back. There you go. See, as you can see, and then you'll have this right here. This is the part that we're going to have to unscrew. Thankfully, they came with a screwdriver. So I'm hoping that that's going to work. Because it has to. Alright. So moving forward here. Now we're going to unscrew this. There we go. Now I got to save that. Pop that off. Alright, now we got to unscrew this as well. There's another little bitty screw in there, as you can see. Another screw. There it goes. Okay, don't lose those pieces. Now, there's the little device. That's not important. This is. Now, what you got to do is it'll plug in right in here. If it doesn't do that, I got big fat fingers and this is a pain in my butt. Now, don't over tighten the dang thing. That's the last thing you want to do, is over tighten it. The last piece of the puzzle here is the cover. This is the heatsink. So all we got to do is drop that right on top there, just like so. Make sure it's lined up. Okay. It's fighting me a little bit here because there it goes. We'll go with this. Lose the screwdriver. Don't need that. Get in there. Don't over tighten. And that should be it. Save the other piece just in case. Alright. Now to test and see if it actually works like it's supposed to. Okay, as you can see, this is a good sign. We're going to format the M.2 SSD. Alright. Should be good if you experience problems while playing, installing it in console storage. Been formatted. I'm not online, so okay. There it is. 4 terabytes of space. It was that simple. Hope this helped, guys. And peace out.